Hello all, I started my vlog kind of late today, but it is Monday, and what is it?
20th?
I don't remember. No, I think it's like the 22nd, I think.
It's not the 22nd.
21st. And pretty much all I did today was do some work at the house. Nothing really special, I guess. And yeah, we just left. Pretty much the consistency of the day. And I left my SD card inside my computer, so I'm using my backup SD card right now. So it's a great thing I have that. Flamingos are magical creatures, obviously, though. Not turtles. Hi, all. I've already told you what day it is, didn't I? 22nd. I'll change my background down to my wrist in the eye care bracelet, and also change this one as well. It's the sunset picture. Mr. Green was just not out here. Hello, Mother. Where'd Mr. Green go? Oh, there he is. Is that the black demon behind him? I think so. Hi, Mr. Green. And who's that? Focus. No, this is a different one. Wow. Mixed colors. I'll have to think about a name for this one. What's up? What's up? Wow, what could be a name for that one? I really don't even know. Love my plants. They're really coming along quite nicely. I'm ready to water them. This one looks really nice. That one's quite good.
Sweet teas.
Oh.
And can I get a McChicken with cheese and a small chocolate shake?
I'll start off all of my Wednesdays.
Would you like barbecue sauce for your 20 piece?
Yes, please.
Hello all. It is July the 23rd. Ready
Thank you. Have a great day.
to go to Maya's therapy. Hi, Lorraine. I like your hair. Who did that for you? Who?
The girl up the street.
What was
Oh.
up this time?
I like your dress too. How come you never wear nice clothes for our house? Think it's some type of hotel?
Hotel.
That's what you be acting like. Don't be
Did they
paying
have
that
a bag
money.
at Bath and Body?
It's kind of crooked.
Did they take the coupon? What it come to? Yeah, they want to try and take it because you ain't supposed to use the
You
coupon
know.
with the bag.
Straighten it out.
I'm glad they did. I'm getting you.
It says straighten it out, not move it up. Like move it to the sides.
How much then?
Well, we just finished with Maya's thing. Y'all don't get any sneak peeks today.
Yeah, that's true. But I want a mask, but somebody said they like 10,
She
but
going
I
to
don't
sleep.
want one that's that high.
Why
I
you
just
don't
want
like the
like
doors?
a $5 one. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Stop turning off my song.
Just fine. Can I get a number
song.
6?
Singing, dancing in the mirror.
Yes, but no,
Singing in the
no
shower.
tomato and add cheese.
Look at this rain. This is ridiculous.
I know you'll leave your bag on that phone.
What's Mr. Green gonna do? Can't even see rain. And I was doing stuff. Singing.
Go down there and do what? You're not listening to me. The electricity is off.
Well, I guess I need to open up my windows. How I can kind of see. Y'all can't see anything. You can see the mirror. You can see raindrops. Let me open this one up too. I hate these things sometimes. Oh, there you go. Poor tree. No, actually, nice tree. Because it needs some water. We put that together yesterday. I saw something under it. Nope. Definitely not down. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Yeah, that gives me a little bit more light. And is the window in here open? Yeah. It's just fine. Because we heard lightning and suddenly the lights were off. Ridiculous. Look, the truck is out there. In other words, we're probably gonna have electricity. It's doing something. But well, you can't really see anything. Let me get close to my little lamp. I was just cutting and screwing some hard wall. What is this called? Drywall. As you can't really see at all. Actually, I have to use my phone this light. Hold up a second. I don't know why I'm not using this. There you go. Yeah, as you can see, goodness gracious, not out of breath. I'm putting this up. It's hot. I'm hot. I'm sweating. This light doesn't help. I've been wiping my face once every couple of minutes with a wet towel. And yeah, I'm probably gonna stop very soon. Well, we're leaving, or yeah, we have left from the house. Too dark, it's too hot, everything is just not okay. I should have turned off some stuff. You didn't think about that, did you?
I turned off everything but the air. 10 o'clock. They said.
Well, it's not 10 o'clock yet.
Sure ain't.
And I forgot to turn off my air. I turned off pretty much everything as well.
That ain't all.
Yeah, I've seen them. Hello all. We just came from going back to the house to make sure that everything was off. Or to turn everything off, I should say, because there were definitely things on. Yeah. Well, now I'm cooking, and ooh, snap, this is getting bubbly. And I'm gonna make some teriyaki cheddar broccoli. And I'm gonna put some hot dogs in it. I'm doing my grill boil style in making this, and I need to put a slit on this side because I already cut a little. Oops. Whatever. I'll do that after I stop the recording, which I'm getting ready to do right now actually, because this is pretty much enough, and I'll be able to go back to my original SD card. Yeah. So I bid all of you to do for now, of course. Goodbye.